Hi everybody, we're talking diesel heaters. Pay more money, get more quality. Let's see what you think. Yeah, hi there folks, good afternoon. Been asked to do another review. Not that I'm getting any good at them, to be perfectly honest, but a good friend of mine has asked for a bit of information on how I fitted our diesel heater. Purchased from Amazon. Obtained it from Amazon. I'm not getting paid for any of this advertising, guys, so I'm giving you a true, honest opinion of mine for fitting it and running it. It's been in there now nearly 12 months. Probably hear it ticking away in the background. But yeah, we'll do some sort of tests on it a bit later and go through. Yeah, I paid a little bit more for it, to be perfectly honest. I paid a little bit extra than your normal sort of Chinese diesel heaters off Amazon. To be perfectly honest, there was one feature that I was really interested in, and that was the app. Fantastic. I really do rate the app. It's great. You can be indoors, not that far from away from the vehicle on Bluetooth, and Bluetooth the heating on whilst you're not even in the van, and you get in the van later nice and warm, set to whatever temperature you want it to set at, and away you go on your journey nice and comfortably. So yeah, that was one of the real good features on that. So I think it's quite a good installation. I'll show you the outside as well. But yeah, this is it. Just as I say, we paid a little bit extra, but I think we got a lot more for us dollar or us pound. Have a look at this. Okay, folks, I'm just going to show you the location of the diesel heater. I'm not going to pull it all out. There's not much need to. Fits just nicely there under the seating area. The pump's there on the wall. The electrics are fed from the back, and the outlet is just there, tubed round the back of that bulkhead there, and comes out into the cabin area there. Real good location for it. Yes, the pumps do tick. We'll turn her on, as I say. Quite a tight location. I'll go through the dimensions of the hole that you cut through the floor, because it goes directly through the floor, and it's fed from the diesel tank, which is directly there, just behind the fire blanket. I tapped into the tank and led the pipe round the back there where the pump is, and we are actually going to look at a mod for the actual pump. We're going to look at maybe investing in a very silent one. I'll give you some information on that if we do invest in it. We have the switch up there for the heater. Probably blinding you there. Just turn that light off. Oh, it's really dark there. Yeah, there's the heater, and they do take a real big kick of amps to start up the heater. Real boost. So that's why you might see like the lights flicker when the pump kicks in. But there's the air intake, as I say. You got the air intake, and there's the pump ticking in. When all the cushions are down, it's not too bad really. Okay, I'll show you the outside. Okay folks, there's the exhaust outlet, basically under there. There's the exhaust, and that then leads down to the fitting, the air, fuel, and everything else under there. Did a little time lapse here for you folks, just to let you see how the temperature does rise. There is a thermometer above there, and we timed it for around 10 minutes and it increased it from about 6 degrees up to 9. We did also fit this modification plate, everyone, just to obviously it's safe. It's inverted there. You see the exhaust and the air intake holes. As I say, you fit that through the floor of your van, and basically everything's on the external of the van once it's fastened down. Really good piece of kit, highly recommended, rather than using the plate that the diesel heater is supplied with. So grab yourself one of them. I think about £16 on Amazon. Okay everyone, we'll come to my favourite feature now, which is the app. Really good, thoroughly enjoy the app. You can move the temperature up, 20, 24, moving it down as well. Set the temperature to whatever you wish. You can change also whether you want it in Fahrenheit or centigrade, depending on which you wish. Superb little app. Bluetooth as well. You can set it onto smart mode, where you've got scales then where you can up the scale, speeding the pump up and injecting more fuel, or set it on the auto mode where, as I say, it will reach the target temperature and then back off slightly. It just ticks over once it's reached the target temperature. As I said, Bluetooth, you can set it off from inside the house as long as the vehicle's near, and you're stepping into a lovely warm van. As I say, one of my best features of the diesel heater. It's been installed now probably somewhere in the region of over 12 months. Up in Scotland, no problem whatsoever, and continuing to serve us well. I hope you've enjoyed this video folks, and if you've got any comments, please place them below. Keep them nice. We'll get back to you if we can, and if you've got any suggestions for anything else, anything we can help you along the way, please feel free to contact us. Enjoy, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Take care.